Updating your payment method on Blink Charging is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Blink Charging website or open the Blink app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, find the section labeled Account or Payment Settings. This is typically located in the menu or Profile section. Step 3. Select Update Payment Method. In the Payment Settings area, look for an option that says Update Payment Method or Add New Payment Method. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new payment information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new payment method is active. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Blink Charging. Regularly check your payment settings to keep your account information up to date.